Hi, my name is Robson Susan, and I'm 36 years old. I did a procedure of head transplant. It's been about a month and a half. It was the 13th of the last month. Uh, what leads me to do the procedure because it was a little bit of a shame of losing hair and the way how I approach people. That's one of the reasons I don't want to go bald, honestly. And that's one of the reasons I decided to do the proceed. How have the results changed? Well, the results changed my life in a way which it's been only a month and a half. I know it's a long procedure. It's gonna change it in a good way. On my self-esteem. We talk with people. Now I notice that people are looking on my head. And well, I feel good about it. Well, Doctor, the man, yeah, I'd like to thank him for the way how the procedure went to was they treated me really well here, and it was a good procedure. Um, the way how he talks with the patient, he's got a knowledge of the procedure, and it was a good experience. Yeah, definitely, I would recommend for someone else that I know, and I'm very happy with the procedure. Oh, my family. At the beginning, only my sister knew about it because she's the one who can pick up. But right now, most of my family knows, and they react pretty good. They say, well, if that's what you want to do, Like I said, it's only been a month and a half, and procedure pretty much is gonna start showing up after 6 7 months. So yeah, they pretty much they happy, for what I did, and yeah, and I'm also happy.